Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Muhammad Sam Aleem, and in this video I wanted to talk about brand approvals as well as approvals from distributors invoices. So basically people go after letter of approvals to get them directly from brands so they don't face any issues, but the thing they're missing out on is that you can also get approved for certain brands by using invoices from their distributors. The reason why people don't go after invoices is that invoices don't get accepted every single time, and sometimes the distributors that you're working with are not authorized. So you should go with invoices. They don't really have that many issues. The thing that you should do is that first of all you should check if the distributor is authorized by the brand. In order to do that, you need to contact the brand directly and ask a brand if the distributor you're going to work with is their authorized distributor or not. And then you can also ask the distributor if their invoices get accepted. In most cases, the distributor has already worked with the Amazon seller and they would know if their invoices were accepted or not. But just in case they don't know, you can also ask for an invoice and the distributor will be able to provide you with that. And you can submit that invoice to Amazon to check if it gets accepted and then proceed to work with the distributor. The point here is that if you find a profitable sourcing from a distributor, but you're scared that your invoice might not get accepted and you might not get engaged in that brand, then what you can do is you can first of all check its authenticity and then proceed with the distributor. And if you find a single distributor whose invoices get accepted, then you can find a whole lot more products from that same distributor, and that can affect your supply chain very positively. So, thank you for watching. That was it for the video.